20 health benefits of stem cells. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Stem cells have been a topic of extensive research and have shown potential in various areas of medicine. While it is important to note that stem cell therapies are still in the early stages of development and many applications are experimental, here are 20 potential health benefits associated with stem cells. 1. Tissue regeneration. Stem cells have the ability to differentiate into various cell types, making them useful for regenerating damaged or diseased tissues. 2. Organ repair. Stem cell therapies may help repair organs affected by injury, disease, or degeneration, potentially reducing the need for organ transplantation. 3. Bone and cartilage regeneration. Stem cells can be used to promote the regeneration of bone and cartilage tissues, offering potential treatments for conditions such as osteoarthritis. 4. Heart disease treatment. Stem cells may help regenerate damaged heart tissue and improve heart function in individuals with heart disease. 5. Diabetes management. Stem cell therapies hold promise for regenerating pancreatic beta cells, which produce insulin, potentially providing a long-term solution for diabetes management. 6. Neurological disorders. Stem cells offer potential treatments for neurological conditions such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and spinal cord injuries by promoting the regeneration of nerve cells. 7. Stroke recovery. Stem cells may aid in the regeneration of brain tissue and promote recovery following a stroke. 8. Autoimmune diseases. Stem cells have the potential to modulate the immune system and may be used to treat autoimmune diseases such as multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and lupus. 9. Wound healing. Stem cell therapies may enhance wound healing by promoting the growth of new blood vessels and skin cells. 10. Burn treatment. Stem cells can be used to regenerate skin tissue, making them potentially valuable for treating severe burns. 11. Vision restoration. Stem cell-based therapies have shown promise in restoring vision by replacing damaged retinal cells in conditions like age-related macular degeneration and retinitis pigmentosa. 12. Lung diseases. Stem cells offer potential treatments for lung diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and pulmonary fibrosis by promoting lung tissue repair. 13. Blood disorders. Stem cell transplants are already used to treat various blood disorders like leukemia, lymphoma, and sickle cell anemia. 14. Spinal cord injuries. Stem cells may aid in spinal cord repair and regeneration, potentially improving mobility and function in individuals with spinal cord injuries. 15. Dental regeneration. Stem cells can be used to regenerate dental tissues, offering potential treatments for tooth loss and dental defects. 16. Liver diseases. Stem cells hold promise for treating liver diseases such as cirrhosis and hepatitis by promoting liver tissue regeneration. 17. Cosmetic applications. Stem cell therapies are being explored for cosmetic applications like skin rejuvenation, hair regrowth, and anti-aging treatments. 18. Cancer treatments. Stem cells can be genetically modified to target and deliver therapeutic agents to cancer cells, potentially enhancing the effectiveness of cancer treatments. 19. Immune system disorders. Stem cells have the potential to modulate the immune system and may be used to treat immune system disorders such as immunodeficiency. 20. Anti-inflammatory effects. Stem cells can secrete anti-inflammatory molecules that may help reduce inflammation and promote healing in various conditions. It is important to note that while the potential benefits of stem cells are promising, many of these applications are still being researched and require further clinical trials and regulatory approvals to ensure their safety and efficacy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.